In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Adspower browser. By the end, you'll have it set up on your Windows computer using the official installer and the default settings, so everything stays clean and simple. First, head to the official Adspower download page. It's important to download from the source so you get the most recent safe version. When the page loads, you'll see download options for different operating systems. The layout may change slightly over time, but look for the section that lists Windows. Adspower provides installers for Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11. In this walkthrough, we're focusing on Windows, so choose the option that matches your system. If you're not sure what you're running, a quick check in your system settings can confirm it. Click the download button next to the Windows version that fits your PC. Your browser will start downloading an .exe file. If you're asked where to save it, your Downloads folder is a good default, so it's easy to find. Depending on your connection, this may take a moment. When the download finishes, locate the installer in your browser's downloads list or open your Downloads folder. Now, double-click the .exe file to start the installation. Windows may show a security or user account control prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes. Choose Yes to continue. This opens the Adspower setup wizard, which will guide you through the process. Begin by reviewing and accepting the license agreement. You'll need to accept it to proceed. Next, you'll be asked to choose the install location. If you don't have a specific reason to change it, the default path is usually best and helps avoid permission issues later. Make sure you have enough free space, then continue. Click Install to let the wizard copy the necessary files. You'll see a progress bar while it works. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on your system. Try not to run other heavy tasks while it installs to keep things smooth. Once the installation completes, you'll see a confirmation screen. Click Finish to close the wizard. That's it. The program is now installed. You can find Adspower in your Start menu, and if an installer shortcut was added to the desktop, you can launch it from there as well. If something didn't go as expected, double-check that you downloaded the Windows installer from the official page and try running the installer again. Otherwise, you're ready to move on with your setup inside the app.